Hello everyone, what's going on? I'm Gav, the Masterman74, back again today doing another source short video. And today I'm looking into a suggestion from Commando Busel WNL, I hope I've pronounced that correctly, who wanted to know if it was possible for me to do a video about adding the in-game MP3 player into hopefully a Source 2013 mod. So I'm going to be outlining that today. So as you can see here, I'm actually in Visual Studio in a games solution. I'm doing something slightly different where it's not the actual Visual Studio tab, but just a sort of a tab taken out with the projects off to the side here. Let me know if you like this more than what I've done previously. But anyway, what you want to do, regardless of if you're doing a single player or multiplayer mod, you want to go to the client project. You want to go to this filter called MP3. And you can load up mp3player.h if you really want to. You don't need to. It just goes over the MP3 sort of player stuff. But the meat of what you need to do is go to mp3player.cpp. And you'll see this hashtag if0. And this actually persists through the entire code. As you can see, it's going to over 2,000 lines. And it gets down here where there's this sort of else statement and you get mp3 player create and mp3 player destroy that don't do anything. And then the end if for that if 0 is right the way down here. So basically you just want to change this 0 to a 1 and save. And there's no errors or anything, there's no issues. And by doing that, you've essentially added a simple mp3 player into the code. So what we can do is build the solution. It's actually going to take me to a different Visual Studio window, but all it would say is that it's building the client project and it's building mp3player.cpp and it's going to build with no issues. So at this point you can go into debugging, which is what we're going to be using to test to see if the mp3 player works. And so once the game capture actually decides to load up, we've got our developer console over here, and you can just simply type in the command mp3. And what this will do is we'll load up a menu over here as such called the Valve MP3 player. You can go to options and you can add a directory if you want to. You can add the game sounds or refresh directories. So for example, if you add the game songs, then you'll get this little folder called game sounds. And then it will basically point to all of the sounds that exist within, for example, Half-Life 2, because this is a Source 2013 mod. So you can load up something like HL1 Song 20, click play on that, and there you go, you should be hearing something. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that from my experimentation, the timer that you see up here is wrong, because it's saying this sound is only supposed to be 24 seconds long, but as you'll probably find out, the sound is actually much longer than 24 seconds long. So that's a little downside, and something else that I have noticed as well is that there's no opportunity to go ahead and remove any directories that you don't want to have anymore. So you're stuck with whatever directories you already have. So for example, down here, there's actually a bunch of stuff related to music projects that I've done. And, you know, that's just going to be there. And I can add stuff if I really want to. Like, I don't know, the advancement of science. I can add that to the playlist. I can skip to the next song. And this time it says it's only 42 seconds long. But this is like actually more like a minute long. But yeah, basically there's no way to remove any directories and the timer's wrong. I've not looked into any ways to fix this, but maybe someone in the comments who has a bit more time than me can actually look into this and actually figure out if there is any way to make this possible, to fix the timer and remove directories or remove sounds or whatever. But that's pretty much everything that I need to go over in terms of the MP3 player, everybody. So hopefully you found the video helpful, and let me know what you think about the Visual Studio Windows style, about the tutorial and all that. And I hope to see you again for hopefully a Valve source code tutorial at some point. Thank you for watching, take care out there, peace out, and see you later.